Vinyl wrapping your car hood is a great way to change its look, protect the paint, and give your car a fresh style without repainting. Follow some simple steps to wrap your car hood and make it look clean and professional. Soapy water gently lifts dirt and grime, protects the paint, and enhances shine without damaging the car's surface. Before wrapping, use hot steam at high pressure along with a microfiber cloth to remove any dirt or foreign substances from the vehicle's surface. Then, gently clean the car using a quality car shampoo. This helps to eliminate any remaining dirt and prepares the surface for wrapping. Next, scrub the surface thoroughly with sponges for about 10 minutes to ensure a deep clean. After scrubbing, spray a foreign substance cleaner over the car's surface and wipe it down with a microfiber cloth. Then, rinse the car with hot water to remove all soap and residual dirt. Use an air gun to blow out any hidden moisture from gaps and tight spaces in the vehicle. After this, wipe the entire surface again with a clean microfiber cloth to ensure it is completely dry. Proceed to disassemble any necessary external parts of the car, such as emblems, license plates, and headlights. Apply masking tape around the emblems to protect surrounding areas. Then, use heat to soften the adhesive under the emblem and remove it gently using a squeegee. Measure the car's surface using a measuring tape and cut the wrap according to the dimensions of the vehicle. Before applying the wrap, spray a shine on the car's surface and wipe it off with a microfiber cloth to ensure a smooth, clean base. Begin applying the wrap starting from the bonnet. Stretch the wrap tightly and evenly across the surface. Use a wrapping squeegee to carefully smooth out any wrinkles. Apply this technique across the entire surface of the car. Once all wrinkles are removed, trim the wrap to fit the shape of the bonnet precisely. It is important to work carefully to avoid scratching the car's surface. Attach the wrap by hand for better control and precision. Use a heat gun to properly seal the wrap around curved areas and edges. After covering the entire car with the wrap, reattach all previously removed parts such as the license plates, headlights, and emblems. Once complete, your car will have a clean, professional, and beautiful new look with the wrap perfectly applied. So, by applying these effective methods and products, you can wrap the car surface properly and make it look beautiful.